Ready to ditch boring squares and circles and learn how to give your images a total shape over in Canva? First, open up Canva and start a new design. The size doesn't really matter for this trick, so pick whatever suits your project. Next, head over to the Elements tab. This is where the magic happens. Scroll down until you find the Frames section. Frames are essentially placeholders that allow you to crop images into different shapes. Canva has a ton of pre-made shapes to choose from. Circles, squares, letters, abstract shapes, you name it, they probably have it. Pick a shape you like and drag it onto your canvas. You can resize it to fit your design perfectly. Now, go to the Uploads tab and choose the image you want to crop. If you haven't uploaded it yet, go ahead and do that now. Simply drag your image from the Uploads section right over the frame. Canva will automatically crop the image to fit the shape. If you want to adjust the positioning or zoom level of the image within the frame, just double-click on the image. You can then drag it around until it looks just right. Click outside the frame to finalize your changes, and that's it. You've successfully cropped your image into a shape. Now go forth and create some awesome designs. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Canva tips and tricks.